What do you mean about Aunt Lizzie?
Aunt Lizzie and Christian, they recorded their first album.
Yes!
Yes, so like all their songs,
Yeah!
people can buy them on iTunes.
Oh.
Yeah, so we bought their songs, and Darling Baby is on there. Do you know Darling Baby?
Prints on the walls, crumbs all over the floor, laundry pile so tall, I think I might fall over. Way too often am I overwhelmed by the slide.
A little bit of sun right now. Not exactly Florida sun, but it feels nice. Just went over and tried to ship this little box here. It's a return from eBay, and it came in at 30 bucks. Yeah, as I was saying, I was doing a return for something I got through eBay. Yeah, to just ship it back to him is 30 bucks, which is way more than I thought it would be. So I am at a conundrum because I didn't receive enough money to ship that back. So I'm gonna have to ask him for more. I'm gonna try one other option and see if that one will come in better. But that's what I'm up to right now, is just doing a bunch of random errands, trying to get caught up for the week, as I'm sure Marie and the kids are doing too. And then hopefully I'll be able to sell this car. I'm gonna meet up with someone today that is interested in buying it. So we'll see. We're having family home evening. It's been a long time, and we're back in the old form with the classic charades. Go for it, Bella.
I didn't do it. Why do you do that?
A bird, a plane, Minecraft, a video game.
Dancer, an airplane, a bird,
Oh,
a hummingbird,
a bee,
a fly,
a killer.
mosquito,
Definitely a mosquito.
a horsefly.
Another hen. It starts
There-
flash. Oh, firefly.
What?
I can't hang out in the ceiling and just put floats all over me.
What are you?
No, I mean a drone.
A drone?
Why did you keep on touching me in the face?
Oh,
Because I didn't
a
like
drone.
it.
Okay.
Daddy, look.
Got some beautiful flowers in yesterday that we're sending out to the stores today. Fun. Processing our cardboard over here. Good job, Matthew. We recycle tons and tons of cardboard. It's nice to have that option. Before we would just have to trash it. So, but yeah, every single week we have a truck that comes out and picks up all our cardboard. It's great. Oh, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, gateway to.
I knew you were coming.
Yeah. Good
You
timing.
gotta hang up little goodies for a baby shower.
Oh. There's my designing right there. That's how I do it.
Yeah. It just needs filler.
That's right. I think it really looks classy. Can't see any of the oasis. It looks nice.
So we just got to Target. We're finally going shopping after our trip. We've been living off like frozen blueberries and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for the last day or so. But anyway, we always love coming to Target, and I wanted to tell you guys how excited I am because my little brother and sister put out their first EP or record or album. I don't know what you call it these days. I'm old. But I'm listening to it on iTunes. I was able to buy their songs on iTunes, and I'm just like so excited for them. So we've been jamming to Salem Swing.
Wait, what do you mean about Aunt Lizzie?
Aunt Lizzie and Christian, they recorded their first album.
Yes!
Yes, so like all their songs,
Yeah!
People can buy them on iTunes. Yeah. So we bought their songs, and Darling Baby is on there. Do you know Darling Baby? Yeah. So that song that I helped write is on there too, which is pretty cool. And anyway, so check out Salem Swing on iTunes, and we are off to Target.
Holy cow. I don't know if you guys have seen the movie The Birds, but this is what it reminds me of. I heard all these birds, and they're like up on my roof, I guess, and they're just hurtling down into this field behind us. There's just tons of them. It's crazy. I don't know if you can even see them well. I'm gonna go out here and check and see if I can get a better picture. I'm blown away. Look at all those guys. That is amazing. Whoa. Holy cow. That's unbelievable. That was pretty cool. Hey, Elsa.
Like, this little baby girl keeps calling me Elsa.
I'm sure she loved that.
That's funny.
That's actually one of my old dresses
Oh, really?
that my mom made me when I was a little girl.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of like a pioneer type
Yeah.
dress style.
She uses it as a dress up, and today she said she was going to be a maid in it.
A maid, huh?
Maid dress.
And
It's usually
turned out to be a princess.
Yeah.
Elsa.
And she went into public in her maid outfit. And
yeah. It sounds
little girls thought she was a
what it sounds like it reminds me of Cinderella.
oh, yeah.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Nope.
They were just watching The Sound of Music.
She was just watching The Sound of Music.
Okay, Juliet was just watching The Sound of Music, and Bella wished she was. Anyways, that's why it was in my head. Oh, no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. So, with that said, that's right. I don't know if you heard it. Juju said, "Be gross. Choose."
And I'll secretly stash some of their pixie dust, and I'll fly myself back